Hi everyone, it's Tereese. Welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to share a crafty dare that I did this week. Each week we have new prompts, and this group is really supportive. And I didn't know what I was going to make. I kind of struggled a little bit, but I decided to do an index card. So we were dared to use washi tape, newspaper or book pages, and a die cut. Now, I know what you're saying, Tereese, come on. Why are you struggling? I don't know. I just struggled. So I made an index card just so I didn't have to stress out too much. So what I did was I took washi tape. Where is it? It's a really thin washi tape. Oh, it's right here. From my stash, and I liked the different colors that are in there. I put it on some cardstock, and I used this new die that I just got from Hobby Lobby on their clearance, and I really didn't do a video of it because there's so many people sharing what they got. So I mean, a lot of it is repeat because we're all getting the same things, but there are some that are different. But I didn't really get anything too spectacular in my book. So anyway, I used this die as my die cut. So here's the washi tape, and I just used regular book pages from a torn, I tear out books from the Dollar Tree, and I have a ton of them, and I keep meaning to use them more often. So very simple. This is I think it's a 3.5 by 5 index card. I layered the book pages in the background. I inked it up with vintage photo. I layered the washi tape here and there so you can see that this is washi tape. This is the washi tape I used because when you look at the flower, you can't even tell that's washi tape. You might think it's just a pattern paper that I use. And then in the center of that die, there is a hole. There is a hole that I added a gold brad in the center. And then from my stash of words, I just add beautiful to it, and I inked it up. So I really like how this turned out. This is a really pretty die, and I opted to take these out because these it didn't cut it out completely. It just kind of cut into the paper, and you could fold it back, and then you're supposed to use this die to cut the entire thing out, which I did not do. So it does look different from the die because I took these parts of the flower out of it, so it only leaves the center piece. And that is it. That is my crafty dare. I really enjoy doing these. It takes me out of my norm, and makes me think, and that's what I really like about it. So I want to thank everybody for joining me today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.